Hi, I'm Jack Randall. I'm a tech engineer for MSAB, and welcome to this week's MSAB Monday. Today I'm going to be taking you through a new feature from iOS 18. If I come to my phone here and I long press WhatsApp, you'll notice that we now get the option to require a Face ID. If I click on this, I then get a couple of options. I can require Face ID to view the content of WhatsApp, or I could hide and require Face ID. If I click hide and require Face ID, I then get an additional pop-up. I'm just going to click Hide App, and now you can see that that application tile is now missing from my device. This obviously poses a lot of issues for our frontline officers, particularly ones that are doing compliance checks. Perhaps they're parole officers, perhaps they're doing quick little manual investigations at the border. If I then scroll to the right, we get the app library. You'll notice that if I search in the app library now for WhatsApp, it doesn't even come up. At the very bottom of the application library, you can now see that there's a new folder called Hidden. If we click on this, and then it unlocks on my face, I can now see my WhatsApp again. This to me further highlights the importance of using the pre-scan data within XLI. If I then click on Apple iOS Generic as I'm running the latest iPhone, you'll notice that the pre-scan data takes a little bit of time to run. And then after I've entered in a passcode, I should be greeted with a wealth of information here about the device before I hit extract. You can now see that underneath known apps, if we scroll down further, we can see that WhatsApp is indeed still listed here. Now, the other beautiful thing about pre-scan data is it'll give you lovely little tips and tricks like this, as well as on Android, people have the ability to create secure folder locations. We'll also be able to flag a lot of this content for you here in the pre-scan data. I hope you've enjoyed this MSAB Monday tip and you've learned something about iOS 18. Thanks for listening.